Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share this Indian festive makeup look using some affordable products, and surprisingly all are under 500 rupees. I know we are in a lockdown, but still I wanted to make something festive, so I made this tutorial, and I also used some affordable products as you all requested. And I have done this hairstyle which complements the look pretty well, and I'll provide the link of the hairstyle in the description box. So without wasting more time, let's get started to the video. And all the details of the products will be in the description box also. Now first I'm going to apply the primer on my moisturized face, and I'm using this Blue Heaven primer. First I'm concentrating on my T-zone, and then I'm going to drag the product all over my face. Then I'm color correcting my face with this LA Girl Pro orange concealer, and here I'm using my fingertips to apply this on the areas where I have dark circles and dark patches. Now I'm going to blend this with this damp sponge. I'm going to dab the sponge on my face and trying to blend the product smoothly all over my face. And now I'm using this Fit Me foundation, and my shade is 310, and I'm going to apply this with a buffing brush, and the brush is from Pune store, so which is a very affordable as well. After dabbing the product all over my face and my neck, I'm going to blend the product with the same brush. And now I'm going to conceal my face with this Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer, and I'm going to apply this on the underneath of my eyes, on my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, around my mouth, little bit on my chin, and also I'm going to highlight my face with the same concealer. So I'm going to apply this on my brow bone as well, and little bit on my eyelid. And using the same damp sponge, I'm going to blend the concealer all over my face. Now coming to the fun part, I'm using my candid powder for baking my face, and also as my setting powder, because I couldn't found any setting powder under 500 rupees with me at home right now in the lockdown. So I made this jugaad and using this candid powder as my setting powder, and it works pretty well for my face at least. First I have applied the powder where I already have applied the concealer, and now I'm going to dust off the excess product of my face with this fluffy face brush. Now I'm using this Maybelline V-Face Contour palette, and I'm using these contour shade, and I'm going to contour my face. First I'm going to apply this on the hollows of my cheek and now on my jawline, and I'm going to sharpen my jawline with this contour shade. Now I'm going to apply the blush from the same palette, and I'm going to apply this on the apple of my cheek, on the bridge of my nose, on my chin, and a little bit on my forehead, just to give it a natural glow. And the brush I'm using here, this is a Real Technique contour brush. I have contoured my face with the same brush as well. Now I'm using this single palette for my entire brow and eyes. First I'm going to dust off my brow with this spoolie, and now I'm using this two shade, the dark and the light shade, for my brows. First I'm going to draw my arch and the outer part of my brows with the darker brown shade, and then I'm going to draw my inner corners of my brow with the lighter shade. And for this I'm using an angular brow brush. This shade gives a perfect definition to my brows, so I didn't use any brow powder separately. Once the brows are done, now I'm going to apply the same blush shade from the same Maybelline palette, V-Face Contour palette, and I'm going to apply this on my eyelid and upper eyelid as well as my lower eyelid with a fluffy eyeshadow brush, just to give a perfect pink finish. Always start your eye makeup with a natural tone, just to give it a natural finish, otherwise it looks really harsh on your skin. And now I'm using this earthy brown shade from the palette, and I'm going to apply this on the underneath of my crease line with the same fluffy eyeshadow brush, and this gives a perfect natural transition to my eyelid. And also I'm applying this on my lower eyelid as well. Now I'm using this dark brown shade which I applied on my brows as well, and I'm going to apply the shade with my fingertips like this way. And now with this flat eyeshadow brush, I'm going to blend all the dark brown shade all over the eyelid. And you have to make sure one thing here at this point, that you are working under your crease line, not beyond the crease line. Otherwise your face will look like a panda. So blend the brown shade as much as you can under the crease line, and also applying the same brown shade with the same flat brush on my lower waterline. And I'm concentrating the shade on the outer part mostly. And now I'm going to tightline my eyes with this Miss Claire brown shade. Also I'm applying little bit on my lower waterline on the outer part, of course. Now I'm going to create a wing liner with this lotus eyeliner. Now I'm using this off-white shimmery shade from the eye palette, and I'm going to apply this on my inner corners of the eyes. And now I'm going to fill my lips with this incolor matte lip in shade Spicy Nude. And now I'm going to highlight my face with the same off-white shimmery shade. And first I'm going to apply this on my brow bone, then on the bridge of my nose, on my chin, on my cheekbone as well. And here I'm using a fan brush for that. Now to make my lips more defined, I'm using this almond pink from Maybelline over the Spicy Nude, and it gives the perfect shade that I want for this look. And now I'm going to curl my lashes, and this one is from the Body Shop, which is not affordable, but still I'm using this because I don't have any other one. And now I'm using the hypercurl mascara on my eyelashes for both my upper and lower lash line. And now I'm going to put my jewelry, the watch and the bangle, and also my earrings. And I'm also going to put the matching bindi, and that complete the look. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such videos.